all the way live from beautiful Southern California on tonight's show.
Oh, no way. I'm in a tree.
We came back to the location, but we got many more people and many more cars. The group is strong. And I found this. How did I not see this earlier? But if you didn't already know, we go through here. And then we brought the 5-inch out here. So we got the big building dive. The big building dive. And then there's a dude over here. He's trying to find out where the hell are the freaking drones coming from? Where are those goddamn drones coming from? Oh man, it's been fun. I think we're gonna go to another location though.
I want to see the battery. I saw you, I had to get out of the way. Guys on top. Guys on top of it. Oh, no way. I'm in a tree. Oh no.
Yeah. Double yeah. Oh. All right, we got some perch action going on, and they're Oh yeah. Yeah. That was beautiful. That was. Yeah.